Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription step by step. Whether you're looking to save some money, taking a break from streaming, or just switching to another service, canceling your Netflix subscription is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to netflix.com. Make sure you're logged in into the account you want to cancel. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the membership and billing section. Here you'll see an option that says Cancel Membership. Click on Cancel Membership. Netflix will then show you a page with some information about what happens when you cancel and a button that says Finish Cancellation. Click on Finish Cancellation to confirm, and that's it. Your subscription will continue until the end of your current billing cycle and you won't be charged again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.